If you've ever stepped through our doors over the years, you probably noticed it right away. The rich scent of a new idea sizzling,
The gentle roar of bubbling ambition. The status quo being broken down and made into something entirely new.
At IFF, the aroma of purposeful innovation is always in the air.
It's a boldness that activates every sense.
Our recipe begins at local street markets and world-class kitchens, where global inspiration, consumer insights, and years of scientific progress come together.
That's when our culinary experts bring their craft and their shared love of food to the table and get to cooking. Together, we blend science, insights, and culture into flavors you can feel, bringing joy, comfort, and excitement to every bite.
But flavor, like any great recipe, is always evolving. And so are we. Curiosity, creativity, and care keep us experimenting, fueling big ideas and an even bigger appetite for turning fresh possibilities into delicious reality.
So step into our kitchen,
Stir the pot.
lick the spoon,
Add your own ingredients to the mix.
and join us in cooking up what's next.
There's always something cooking at IFF Culinary.